Hello student, good morning. Today I will explain you chapter number 4, result orientation, directions and teamwork. Okay. Good communication are essential within a business if is it prosper. Okay. In any business, the communication of information is an essential part of three key business activities: management, decision making and coordinations of departments, teams and groups. Okay, making sure that marketing, production and administration know what each other is doing, when and why. Okay, then motivation of individuals. Therefore managers must provide for communication in three parts or three directions. Okay, downward, upward and horizontal. Okay, then direction means what? The direction is an important element of management without which nothing in the managerial process can achieve. Okay? आपको पता है डायरेक्शन, अगर आपको पता नहीं, आप ने गाड़ी निकाली और आप जा रहे हैं लेकिन आपको पता नहीं आपको कहाँ जाना है, डायरेक्शन पता नहीं, या फिर आपको एक जगह जाना है वहाँ के डायरेक्शन आपको पता ही नहीं, तो हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल कि आप वहाँ, आपको जहाँ जाना है आप वहाँ पहुँचोगे टाइम पे? नहीं ना. तो डायरेक्शन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ, इन बिजनेस. It provides to the whole managerial functions. Directions include motivation, leadership, as well as supervision. Communication of orders, instructions, and decision are not sufficient. Management has to provide solutions and guidelines in easy, simple, understandable, and acceptable manner to the workers. Online directions as a managerial functions convert the managerial decision, plans and objectives into effective and meaningful actions. It is a link between managerial decision and the operating actions. Okay, डायरेक्शन की डेफिनेशन क्या है? डायरेक्शन मीन्स is an complex function that includes all those activities which are designed to encourage a subordinate to work efficiently, effectively in both short and long run. Okay, इसके बाद एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डायरेक्शन क्या है? मतलब डायरेक्शन इज़ अ की एलिमेंट. ओके, और उसमें क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है, उसके एलिमेंट्स क्या है या फिर एलिमेंट ऑफ डायरेक्शंस क्या होते हैं? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लीडरशिप, मोटिवेशन, कम्युनिकेशन, कोऑर्डिनेशन, सुपरविजन. ये जो पॉइंट है वो डायरेक्शन के क्या बोल सकते हैं हम? एलिमेंट्स बोल सकते हैं या फिर डायरेक्शन की बोल सकते हैं इसको. ओके, इसके बाद लीडरशिप जो है, मतलब लीडरशिप is an important element of direction. It is a process of influencing in the behavior of other towards the accomplishment of goals in a given situation. It is a working relationship between the leader and his followers. A leader influences his followers willingly. He shows the way by his own example. Leadership is the ability to secure desirable actions from a group of followers voluntarily without the use of correction. Okay, then motivation is a productivity factor in industry. It is the sum total of managerial science. The most important task of management is to get work done by the subordinate and achieve results. Getting the work done depends mainly on whether a person has been motivated to do it. Motivating a worker is to create a need and desire on the part of a worker to better his present performance. This will mean to do anything beyond just what he is required to do. This can be done by creating in him a sense of responsibility and feeling of special interest in his work. Motivation concerns itself with the will do work. It seeks or it seems to know the incentive for work and tries to end out the ways and means whereby their realization can be helped and encouraged. Thus, motivation is the act of stimulating someone to get desired course of action. Okay. Then communication. Communication is the foundation of all group activity. It is the element which set the enterprise in motion and provides life to the deeds structure. Communication is all the more important in management because the success of an enterprise depends upon how effectively its employees understand one another. Most of the problem of business can be attributed to poor communication between management and labor communication. Okay. तो कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट है। अगर आपको बिजनेस अच्छे से चलाना है, उसे मूव ऑन करना है, तो आपको सबके साथ मतलब लोअर लेवल से अपर लेवल तक मतलब मैनेजमेंट लेवल हो, एम्प्लॉय लेवल हो या जो लो लेवल हो, सब के साथ बिजनेस में मैनेजमेंट ने सबके साथ अच्छे से रिलेशन मेंटेन करने होते हैं ताकि कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा हो। अगर आप एम्प्लॉय को मोटिवेट करते हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होता है, वर्क का स्पीड बढ़ता है, एम्प्लॉय वर्क प्लेस में खुश रहता है और उसका अच्छा इफ़ेक्ट हमारे प्रोडक्शन पे होता है। ओके। देन कोऑर्डिनेशन भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। Coordination is the effort to ensure successful attainment of an objectives. Okay, it is the harmonious. It is the best combination or interaction and process of integrating the various factors of an organization. Efficiency and effectiveness is the effort to ensure a smooth interplay of the functions and force of all the different parts of an organization. Coordination is the process whereby an executive develops an orderly pattern of group effort among his subordinates and secures unity of direction in the direction. Okay. Then supervision or supervisor or supervision is the very important thing in the field of management. Supervision refers to the day-to-day guidance and direction of the operations. It means overseeing the performance of tasks assigned to rank and file of workers and non-managerial employees. The aim of supervision is to ensure that subordinates work efficiently or effectively to accomplish the organizational objectives. It is an essential element of directing functions of management. Supervisory management is represented by supervisor and departmental chiefs. Okay. उसके बाद प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डायरेक्शन मतलब अगर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आने वाले तो क्या होगा, डैश डैश इज़ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डायरेक्शन। तो आपको ऑप्शंस हो गए प्रिंसिपल ऑफ यूनिटी, ऑफ कमांड, देन नॉन सपोर्टेड रूल्स, बिहेवियरल साइंस। तो आप क्या लिखोगे, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ unity of command, principle of appropriateness of directions, techniques. मतलब जो भी principles है directions के, I think 7 to 8 principles है. उसके बाद techniques है, important of direction है, तो उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. ओके, तो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डायरेक्शन में क्या है? फर्स्ट है प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैक्सिमम इंडिविजुअल कंट्रीब्यूशन, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ हार्मोनी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, देन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड, देन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ appropriateness of direction techniques, then principle of managerial communication and use of informal organization, principle of leadership and principle of follow through. Okay, so in a day or a day-to-day routine or day-to-day management, a manager has to understand the need, motives and attitude of his employee. Okay, a manager has to get work done through his employee. For this purpose, he has to use various managerial strategy. Okay, the first one is principle of maximum individual contribution. Means what? According to this principle, management should adopt that directing policy through which the employees get motivated and give their maximum individual contribution for the achievement of organizational objectives. Okay, then harmony of objective means there must be full coordination between organizational and individual objectives. Employees work in an organization with an objectives to get better remuneration, promotion. Okay, on the other hand, organizational goal can be to earn more profit and to increase market share. Sometimes it is seen that there is a conflict, a major share of profit, whereas employees pursues that as they work directly. Okay, then unity of command means a subordinate should get directions from one officer at a time. If the subordinate gets a direction from more than one officer, the subordinate will be unable to prioritize his work. As a result, situation of confusion and disarrangement is created. Okay, following this principle, effective direction take place. Then principle of managerial communication means it should be monitored by the management that the subordinate get the same meaning for what has been said. This simplifies the job of the subordinate and they need not go to the managers repeatedly for inquiry. Okay, then use of informal organization means there must be a free flow of information between the seniors and the subordinates. The success of directions depends upon effective exchange of information. To great extent information should be given both through formal and informal mediums. Okay, then special attention should be given to the informal organization, the strengthness or strength of the formal organization. Okay, then leadership is very important principle. Means according to principle of leadership, while giving directions to the subordinate, quality leadership must be important or must be going on by managers. By this subordinate get influenced by the manager. In this situation, subordinate act according to the wish of the manager. Okay, ये थे हमारी क्या बोलते हैं उसे, डायरेक्शन के प्रिंसिपल्स। ओके, देन इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन में क्या होता है कि डायरेक्टिंग इंटेट्स एक्शन, देन इंटीग्रेट्स एफर्ट्स एंड means of motivation. Directing provides stability, will enable to cope with the change and help in efficient utilization of resource. Okay, उसके बाद आता है टीम वर्क का पॉइंट आता है, मतलब टीम वर्क मीन्स वॉट, उसके फीचर्स क्या है, उसके बाद प्रिंसिपल्स क्या है इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन के। ओके, मतलब जो भी कम्युनिकेशन रिलेटेड है, ग्रुप बिहेवियर कैसे होना चाहिए, ये सब क्या होगा हमारा इस चैप्टर में कवर होने वाला है। ओके, आई थिंक ये यहाँ तक हम स्टॉप करते हैं और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में क्या करती हूँ, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन लेती हूँ। 2 लेक्चर में आई थिंक सिलेबस कवर हो जाएगा, 2-3 पॉइंट ही रिमेनिंग है और उसके बाद क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेते हैं तो फर्स्ट टर्म ख़त्म हो जाएगी हमारी। ओके, चलो, थैंक यू।